How to cook baked macaroni. Here's a simple guide to cook baked macaroni in about 600 words. Ingredients: 400 grams elbow macaroni, 2 cups of shredded cheese cheddar or your preference, 1 medium onion, thighs, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 2 cups of tomato sauce, a quarter cup tomato paste, a half cup ground beef or pork optional, a half cup of heavy cream or evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon ground pepper, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning optional, a half cup breadcrumbs optional. Instructions. Step 1. Cook the macaroni. Boil water in a large pot and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook the macaroni according to the package instructions, usually about 8–10 minutes, until al dente. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Step 2. Prepare the sauce. In a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Soak the diced onion until translucent, then add the minced garlic. Cook for about 1 minute. If using ground meat, add it now. Cook until browned and no longer pink. Stir in the tomato paste and tomato sauce, mixing well. Add salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Simmer for 5–7 minutes to let the flavors blend. Lower the heat and stir in the heavy cream or evaporated milk to make the sauce creamy. Adjust seasoning if necessary. Step 3. Combine pasta and sauce. Add the cooked macaroni to the sauce in the pan. Mix well to ensure the pasta is fully coated. Turn off the heat and mix in half of the shredded cheese. Step 4. Assemble the baked macaroni. Preheat your oven to 375 F190C. Transfer the macaroni and sauce mixture into a greased baking dish. Spread the remaining shredded cheese evenly on top. If desired, sprinkle breadcrumbs for a crunchy topping. Step 5. Bake. Place the dish in the oven and bake for 20–25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. For a golden crust, you can broil it for an additional 2–3 minutes, but watch it closely to avoid burning. Step 6. Serve. Remove the baked macaroni from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Serve warm and enjoy. This recipe is versatile, so feel free to add vegetables, like bell peppers or mushrooms for extra flavor and nutrition. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.